Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Motor Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point, working with a wonderful customer on a Toyota RAV4 4-cylinder. If you ever see that your valve cover gaskets or you have wetness all the way around in this area right here, 6 or 4-cylinder, it's because your valve cover gasket is leaking. All you need to do is change the valve cover gasket itself. Also, if you choose not to change it, there are, in the valve cover gaskets, there are this is a 4-cylinder, 4 spark plugs in here, and they have a rubber gasket that keeps the spark plug and the ignition coil from having any oil inside of it. Electricity and oil do not mix together. Once this starts to go bad and you pull out your spark plug or you start to misfire, it's because it's starting to fill up with oil. Just change the whole entire valve cover gasket. It comes with the grommets that's going to go, or a little gasket's going to go between the spark plugs. This is just a motor mechanic tip. If you choose not to change it and you continue leaking real bad, anything that's electrical, alternator, belt, that's rubber, it will eat it and destroy it. Starter, whatever's under it or around it, it will destroy it. Also, you'll be losing oil out of the vehicle, and if you do that, then you're going to have a paperweight. You do not want to have a paperweight. You do not want to do all this for a gasket that's $20-something. Labor, that's about $150. Depends on the size of the engine. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for all your donations. We help other people like senior citizens who are on fixed incomes with all your donations. Iron sharpens iron. Thank you.